Good morning, Leo. Today is your math test. Stay calm. Just do your best.
I'm feeling a bit nervous, Dad. What if the test is difficult?
Listen, Leo. A good score is important, but trying your best is even more important. I already believe in you.
Thanks, Dad. I'll do my best today. I won't give up. We're gonna have so much fun today! Yeah, I can't wait to see everyone. Let's get to the bus stop. Don't worry, Leo. You studied hard. You can do it. Are you ready for the math test? I think so. I studied a lot last night.
Good morning, everyone. Today is our math test. Take a deep breath and do your very best. Please clear your desks. Keep only your pencil. I will give you the test now. Here you are, Leo. Take your time. Good luck. Class, you may begin. Good luck, everyone.
Okay, I know this one. This is easy. I'm finished. That wasn't difficult. Good luck, Leo. Let me check again. I don't want any mistakes. Now I'm ready.
Time is up. Please put your pencils down. Thank you, everyone.
How do you feel? I think I did well. I think so too. Leo, how was your math test? Was it difficult? I was nervous, but after the first question, I felt much better. I think I did well. Don't worry, you both worked very hard. I'm sure everything will be fine. Let's go home. I'm sure we'll get good results.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Hi, kids. How was your exam today?
It was good, Dad. It was good, Dad. It was fun.
So, who wants to tell me first? How did the exam go?
Dad, Leo worked very hard. I think he did a great job today. I did my best. I answered every question. I hope I made the right choices.
I'm proud of both of you. You studied hard. That is what matters most. We're home. Let's go inside. Mom is waiting for us.
First, have some juice. Then tell me about your day.
Mom, Leo worked so hard today. He answered every question. I was nervous at first, but then I remembered I'd everything I studied, so I stayed calm. The results will be ready soon. I hope I did well. Leo! Today is results day. Are you ready?
Good morning, everyone. I have your math test results. I will call your names one by one. I will give everyone their paper. Please stay seated. Good job, Tom.
Thank you.
Here you are, Leo. You worked very hard.
Thank you, Miss Clark. This isn't the result I wanted. I can do better next time.
Hi, Leo. How was your day at school?
It was okay. Okay.
Is that your math test?
Yes. I could have done better.
One test does not define you. What matters is what you do next.
I want to improve. You can do it. Let's practice together. Okay. I won't give up. I'm getting better. I just need more practice.
Take your time. Think step by step. You already know how to do this.
I understand now. This is much easier now. I'm improving every day.
Good morning, class. Today is your new math test. Take your time and do your best.
I know this. I've practiced every day. I'm ready. I did my best. I'm proud of myself.
Good job, Leo. Class, I have your final math results. Leo? Excellent work, Leo. You earned an A+.
Thank you. I worked really hard. Great job, Leo! You really did it! Thank you, Tom. Leo! I knew you could do it! Thanks, Mia. We did it together. I knew you could do it. You never gave up. You're right. I never gave up. Mom and Dad will be so happy. I can't wait to tell them. You deserve it, Leo.
Welcome home! We've been waiting for you.
So, how did it go?
Welcome home! You both look very happy.
You both look very happy? Did something special happen today?
I did it! I got an A+.
We're so proud of you.
Your hard work paid off.
I'm proud of you, Leo. You didn't give up. That's what real success means.
I'll keep working hard. I'll never give up.
Remember, success doesn't come overnight.
It comes from learning, working hard, and never giving up.
We'll see you in our next story. Remember, every mistake is a chance to learn.
Believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up.
We'll see you in our next story.
Bye, everyone!